Our first speaker of the day. And this young lady comes from the state in the United States of Virginia. She is the visionary founder of preschool coaching, business, and nonprofit organizations. She is the host of award-winning conferences honoring parents and educators. Do we have any educators that are here? Any educators? Yes, all right. Let's give it up for our educators, professors. Absolutely. And do we have any parents that are here? Any parents, mothers, fathers? Let's give it up for our parents. Absolutely. And so she hosts an award-winning conference back in the United States where she honors parents and educators. She is the 2025 Author All-Star Author of the Year. She has a presidential, now this is when we had before the president now. So she received this Presidential Lifetime Achievement Award, and this is amazing. And in the United States, we also rank based off of income. So if I was to compare what that is here in cities, because we're talking about 6 figures USD, that's probably over $1 million. So she makes over $1 million a year helping educate children, parents, and the more. Everybody, I want you to give it up for Dr. DeShonda Jennings. Let's give it up for her. I go.
My African name is Ajwa, which means the morning sun. And I guess I'm going first. So before all those things that the visionary Taria talked about, let me go ahead and level the playing field. Before I was any of that, I was homeless before. I am a survivor of sexual assault. Some people may know it as rape. I am a survivor of having 0 CDs, 0. I'm a survivor of having spiritual abuse. Now, I say that to say no matter where you are on your journey, God is not a respected person because our ancestors has paved the way. Now, today is not about me. I do want to share a 6-step framework that has blessed my entire life, my family, and my legacy. Is that okay if I share? Can y'all say ready? Give me some energy now. I'm the first speaker. Okay, this is a 6-step framework called launch. Because a lot of times when we think about the things we want to do or things we're thinking, we should not be complacent, staying at a level where we're at. We always want to launch to that next level, meaning you always want to rise higher, right? So the first part of that framework is L. That means leverage your strengths. So I want to make this conducive for the people here. What God-given gift do you have inside of you? Think about it for a few seconds. Every one of us has a gift inside of us. Now that gift, it is not for us. It's to grow our village, our community, our whole environment. Second step. Now you have to access the situation. When we talk about Cape Coast, I want you to hone in on your individual community. What's going on in your community that you can use your gift to help your community? Think about it, because all of us got a gift that's not for us. So once you access what's going on, now we need to, that's LAU, understand the path forward. We got a gift. We know what's going on in our own community. Now what's next? I always like to reference one of my favorite Bible verses, Habakkuk 2:2. Write the vision, make it plain. So you have to have a path going forward. That's your plan. What's your plan? So let's say we say in my community, I may have a lack of school supplies, for example, because I'm an educator. So what can I do about that? What school can I connect with? What village can I connect with? Let me write that plan out. Now I know this is what I'm gonna do once a year, twice a year, or however you can do it. Our next part of the framework is navigate the challenges. It's gonna be challenges. It's going to be challenges. Some of us had challenges getting here today. Some of us had challenges yesterday. It's always going to be a challenge, but you got to remember our ancestors already paved the way. So no matter what's going on, we can navigate that challenge. So that's LAUNC. Now this is the big one. I don't know about here, but I know about in America. A lot of us have a hard time committing to consistency. So that C is commit to consistency. So I need everybody here to close your eyes for a moment. Everybody, just close your eyes. I promise you, I'm gonna stay on stage. Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Release it. Deep breath in. Release it. One more. Deep breath in. Now release it. Keep your eyes shut. What is one thing that you know you need to commit to within the next 30 days? You can open your eyes. So at the end of the conference, I challenge everybody here to visit my table and tell me what's the one thing you're going to commit to for the next 30 days. That's accountability. All right, so we got L, A, U, N, C, and H. It's harness the power of faith. When I tell y'all my faith is everything, even now, I still have those days be like, God, is this what you're calling me to? What else can I do? How do I connect with people? You have to harness that power of faith. And what that may look like is referring back to that vision that you already wrote. When the challenges come, keep your eyes on that vision, stay focused, and just pray to whoever you pray to, just keep praying and harness that power of faith. And I would even say in that power, harnessing the power of faith, make sure you connect with somebody here, because you can't do this alone. I know we might think we can do everything, but we cannot do this alone, because God used people, places, and things to grow our villages, to grow our community, and to grow the kingdom. Even workshops like this, that's gonna help you. When you're feeling down, be like, hey, I wanna start a business. I know some of y'all are probably saying, DeShonda, how can I apply this to me? Whether you're trying to launch to the next level in your personal life or your business, the framework works. I'm a living witness. It works, but you have to do the work. So just recap what I said. L, leverage your strengths. That's that God-given gift. A, access the situation. What needs to change? If you don't have a business, if you're saying, even in my own home, what can I change? Think about that. C, commit to consistency. Y'all coming over to that table, and you're gonna tell me the one thing that you're gonna commit to over the next 30 days, right? So that's LAU is understand the path forward. You don't have to be perfect, because I just messed that word up. You ain't gotta be perfect. LAUN, navigate the changes. C, right? Commit to consistency and harness the power of faith. If you register for this conference, you're gonna receive a follow-up email from me this week where I'm gonna go into more detail on every piece of the framework. So if you didn't take notes, don't worry, I got you. You're gonna get an email. Make sure you come over to my table at the end of the conference. My name is Dr. DeShonda Jennings. It has been an honor to share with you a framework that I know that works.